Alright, so hey guys, morning everybody, so look me back again with a new video, baby. So guys, today I am back in with a new vlog. So today I will talk all about how did I learn English, spoken English, that means. So today I am going to tell you how did I learn English, how did I learn spoken English. I will tell you everything. So guys, it was started and I am not active for YouTube because I can't give time for YouTube because you are not watching me. Therefore, I am very upset, guys. And also, I know the technique, the trick of increasing followers for Instagram. So guys, it was started from 2014 when I was admitted in Shiksha Niketan, Bengali medium school. Then I was not so good for study. I was not so good. Then I can't. Then I could not read properly. Then how did I learn it? You have question. Am I right? If right, then comment me right. So it was started from Shiksha Niketan, which is near my home. I I went there on 7th a.m. to 7th a.m. and I was I came from there on 11 a.m. So one day a teacher insulted me that I can't read. Then I, after hearing the speech of the teacher, I just cried. I was disappeared by the teacher. So right then I went out from that school. I was coming from the school and I saw a dustbin on the way. There were lots of books dropped in that dustbin. So I took that. That was dropped by rich people. I am a poor people. I am a son of poor man, right? So I took that books and started to learn English. So you were spoken English. Then I bought a dictionary, a spoken English book in 30 days, and more books. Then I started to learn English. Then after delivering about 2 months, finally I learned English. Now I am talking to you by English language. It was very difficult time when nobody was with me. Nobody was helping me, but yet I learned English without another self, without learning, without taking another self, without taking any tuition. That is very that where somebody told that where there is will there is a way. So I got the way and finally learned English. So first of all, I have prepared some formulas for learning English. Never give up and know the grammar. Number three is know the grammar, and number three, take it easy. That means you have to think English easy. As we are talking Bengali, we are talking Hindi. That's not difficult for them that language. As English is not difficult for me because I know that what you have to know English because it is very important when when you will live in another country. You will need to talk to them, talk to that country's citizens with by English language because they don't Bengali because English is an international language and Bengali is our mother tongue and Hindi is our national language. That means I don't want to insult Bengali and we need English because English is an international language, one of the best languages in the world, not mainly in India. I'm making vlogs in English because I want to reach, I want to arrive every videos for in the world, not mainly in India, not mainly in Bangladesh, not mainly in Pakistan, not mainly in Afghanistan, not mainly in another countries. So I am leaving this video. I was not active, therefore I thought to make this video. Let's meet in another video. Then bye bye. If you want to learn English from me, then comment me English. I will give you the suggestion, the thought plus learning English way. So let's meet in another video. Till then, bye bye. Today I have to go in school. I don't know what not to do. Bye bye.